Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a brightening face mask for acne prone skin. So to my 99 subscribers, thank you so much dear friends for your love and your support. I'm so happy. Yes, so like on this channel we upload videos every day, so make sure that you check out for videos every day. Yes, so like this face mask is packed with ingredients which are so rich, which can really help to improve your skin. So you are so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video, and we're going to make this mask. I'm super excited. These are the products that we are going to use. So vitamin C can help fade pigmentation and smooth the skin. Its surface to reduce dullness. This gives skin a youthful glow. It helps reduce redness and even out your skin. Vitamin C has been shown to treat a huge variety of inflammatory skin conditions, minimizing red conditions of the skin and create a more even complexion. It helps fade high pigmentation, including spots and age spots and melasma. So it also promotes collagen. So vitamin C is well known for boosting collagen product. Lower levels of collagen can lead to fine lines and wrinkles. So like of course we just made our vitamin C glecerite. One day I'm going to post a video on how you can make one. Yeah, so we are just adding in our products. Yes, so raw honey is packed with components beneficial for the skin, especially if you have acne conditions such as eczema. Honey balances the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a good product to use for acne. So honey speeds up the skin cells healing process. If you have blemishes or eczema outbreak, honey speeds up healing and inflammation. So honey's it's healing. It has healing processes which can help fade acne scars, and you can even use honey as a spot treatment. Our brightening face mask is ready. At this point we are ready to apply it. So you have to make sure that your hands are clean. So like I always use my hands because I feel like they're very gentle. You can even go in with brushes if you're okay with brushes. Yes, so like this mask is so good for your acne. It will brighten your skin. It will make your skin look youthful. Yes, so it doesn't contain any chemicals. It only contains all natural products. Yes, so you can check out other videos which I have done, like you can check out how we made aloe vera powder at home, or I'll link that video in the description box below. So at this point you can leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse off. So we've just rinsed off, and look at that, our skin looks so bright and youthful and beautiful. So we are now going to moisturize our face using aloe vera gel. So like I've done quite a number of videos on aloe vera. You can check those videos out, or I'll link them in the description box below. So after applying any moisturizer, like I proceed with my routine. Like if I have vitamin C serum, I apply my vitamin C serum cream on the face, and then I go in with sunscreen. In fact, I did a video recently, 3-step routine which you can do. Yes, you can check that video out. So thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can do so and comment in the section below. Thank you so much.